Unlocking everyday security, the door chain. Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be exploring a common household item that you might not think about much, but it plays a big role in keeping you safe. We're talking about the door chain, a small feature with a big impact on your home security. A door chain is a small security device used on the doors of homes, apartments, and hotel rooms. It consists of a small chain attached to the door frame and a track on the door itself. When in use, it allows the door to be opened slightly for viewing or ventilation while still providing a level of protection against unauthorized entry. The primary purpose of a door chain is to add an extra layer of security. It's particularly useful for verifying a visitor's identity before opening your door fully. This feature can be especially helpful for those who live alone or in areas with higher crime rates. Using a door chain is simple. When you close the door, you secure the chain to the track, effectively limiting how much the door can open. To remove the barrier, simply unhook the chain from its track, allowing the door to open fully. While a door chain provides some security, it's important to use it in conjunction with other safety measures. Always lock your main door. Install a peephole to see who is outside without opening the door. Ensure your door and frame are strong and durable. Consider additional security features like deadbolts and alarm systems. That's it for our look at the humble yet mighty door chain. We hope this video has shed light on how this simple device can help you feel more secure in your home. Stay safe, and see you next time.